This is the most important type of stretch because it's really working on opening up the chest and really working on strengthening some of those interscapular muscles, those muscles between our shoulder blades. So the first one with this is that we're going to go straight back with our shoulders. So we're bringing our shoulders and we're going straight back like this. So I'm going to go straight back. I'm going to hold this position here for about 5 or 10 seconds. I'm really squeezing in between the shoulder blades. That is the key for this. So I'm going to hold this. I'm going to hold this again about 5 or 10 seconds. And I'm going to go back again. My shoulders are coming straight back. Try to keep your chin a little bit back. Don't let yourself do this. Just try to keep yourself nice and upright. Then we're going to work on some of those lower muscles through here, those lower interscapular muscles, super important. So with this, we're going to focus in our mind on bringing our shoulder blades not just back, but actually down. So I'm trying to make a bit of a W. So it looks something like this. I'm just pulling down and back like this. You can also do it if you sort of put your hands on your hips, sort of thumbs in the back, and just pull the shoulder blades back like that. That accomplishes something very similar. So whichever works best for you, either pulling back like this or just taking your shoulders and pulling it back. And again, I'm squeezing that through here. I really want to focus on bringing these diagonally down. For all these, we want to aim for 2 to 3 repetitions of that, 2 to 3 sets. Again, holding it about 5 or 10 seconds. If there's any questions you have about any of these exercises, please feel free to ask in the comments section. If there's anybody you think would benefit from these exercises, please feel free to share this video with them. Have a great day.